Hey, hi guys. Welcome back to our math class today. Yesterday you guys did 9.1 and you learned how to make line plots and how to find the average of a data set. Mr. Will should have already gone over your homework with you. If he has not done that, go ahead and pause this and then press play again after you've gone over the homework from last night. I'll wait. Okay, so you've finished your homework, you've checked it, and all should be good. If there's any lingering questions about it, please feel free to email me or Skype me. I'm available to talk to you guys. Today we're going to do 9.2. We're going to look at how do we graph points on a coordinate plane. And a coordinate plane is just what this is right here. We have this lovely little box and we have the x-axis and the y-axis. When you look at a graph, you always have something on one side and then the other thing on the other side. On the x-axis is usually what is changing. And then on the y-axis is the measurement, typically. So those are your vocabulary words that you need to know is a coordinate plane, which is simply the whole graph here. All right. The x-axis is the one that's going from left to right. And the y-axis is the one that's going up and down, x and y. Remember in our last unit, I talked about how in algebra, the math didn't get any harder, but we started talking about variables and we started having letters representing numbers. Well, this is the beginning of that, where we have x's and y's. When you graph on a coordinate plane, you're going to have two numbers, an x number and a y number. And first, you always graph the x. That's always the first number in a pair. And then you graph the y. So you would count over how many times, and then you'd count up how many times. And then that would be where you'd put your little dot. So if we look over here on page 373, everybody go ahead and open up page 373. We can read it says, locating a point on a coordinate grid is similar to describing directions using north, south, and east, west. The horizontal number line on the grid is the x-axis. The vertical number line on the grid is the y-axis. And remember, x goes left to right, y goes up and down. Each point on the coordinate grid can be described by an ordered pair of numbers. And the ordered pair is just two numbers that we write like this with a parentheses. The x comes first, comma, the y, and then we have the parentheses. So this could be, we might write it like this. I might say parenthesis 2, 8. And if I did this to write my ordered pair, I would go over 2, and then I would go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I draw a little dot on the 8, and that would be my ordered pair is right here. The x-coordinate is the first number in the ordered pair, and this is the horizontal location, or the distance the point is from 0 in the direction of the x-axis. The y-coordinate is the second. So this is our x, and this is our y. Hopefully you can read that. So x and y. The x and the y-axis intersect at the point 0, 0, called the origin. Right here, this spot here, where we have the lovely 0, this is the origin. So go ahead and write this word into your books because it doesn't have it there for you. Origin. See my lovely handwriting using the mouse trackpads. Origin. Okay, origin. All right, so we have the origin, we have the x-axis, okay, going this way or this way. We have the y-axis going up and down. So primarily today what you're learning how to do is you're learning how to read ordered pairs and you're learning about the vocabulary words that we associate with graphing. And these vocabulary words are going to take you all the way through until you're done with calculus. So the more you memorize these words and just learn them, the better off you're going to be, because these words are never, ever, ever going to change. All right, so let's go ahead and look at our problem. Write the ordered pairs for the locations of the arena and the aquarium. Locate the point for which you want to write an ordered pair. Look below the x-axis to identify the x-coordinate. Look to the left to find the y-coordinate. Okay, so we're looking for the aquarium. Let's find the aquarium. Everybody put your fingers on the aquarium. Here is our aquarium right here. All right, so we're going to look down to see what the first number is. The first number is 9. So we're going to write 9 over here. That's our x. And then we look over, follow along to find out what the y is, and the y is 4. 9, 4. And then we can see for the arena, it is 3, 2. So I'm going to go ahead and write 3, 2. They did that for you. 3, 2, because it's down 3 over 2. Okay, so 3 and 2. So the aquarium is at 9, 4. Then down here we have describe the path you would take to get from the origin to the aquarium using horizontal then vertical movements. And the way that you would do that is, it disappeared because I had to move my pen. All right, so this was 9, 4. Okay, so here what we're going to write is we would say we would go, and then which direction is this going? We are going to the right. Go right. How many spaces are we going in order to get to the aquarium? Right, we are going over 9 places. Go right 9 places. And we always start with going left or right. So we're going right 9 places, comma, then, because we're going to use proper English skills because I'm not there. So got to make sure you using your proper English. So go right 9 places, then go. How do we get to the aquarium now? We've gone right. Do we need to go up or down? Yes, we go up. Then go up. And how many places do we have to go up? We have to go up 4 places because our ordered pair is 9, 4. And mine went off the board. Not bad writing for a trackpad, I think. Okay. So go right 9 places, then go up 4 places. And then let's review. I'm going to ask you what the words mean. You're going to shout out the answers, and Mr. Will is going to let you know if you're right. So, Eden, can you please tell me what the x-axis is? The x-axis is the one that goes left to right. Grace, can you tell me what the y-axis is? The y-axis goes up and down. Great. Let's see. Ola, can you explain what an ordered pair is? The ordered pair is 2 numbers. We have the x and we have the y. Let's see. Pecco, can you explain what the x-coordinate is? The x-coordinate is the first number, yes. And then let's see, Stepan, what is the y-coordinate? The y-coordinate is our second number, yes. All right, so I'm going to pause this video and upload it, and Mr. Will is going to play the second video for you guys. So go ahead and turn to page 374, and we will press play on our second video. Thank you.